Alright, so now we got it plugged in. I'm going to turn on the vehicle. See, going through cycling. And then we can go through and select so now we're on. That's the on switch in the middle. Kind of inconspicuous though. Econ. So you see the up 4 goes red, -4. So city, sport, sport plus. So we'll go city. Let's go +4. That's how our settings is gonna be. So that's what we're gonna try it for now and see if I can tell a difference. Or just try it. We'll just try it. Yeah, we'll do city 4. And we'll give that a shot and see what's up. And yeah, we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I haven't seen too many of these on a diesel. I've seen them on like Hemis and stuff like that, but that's about it. So I'll let you guys know, give you a little update here in probably a week or 2.